The hero animation allows a widget to fly and transition from one screen to another screen. Simply wrap the widget that you want to animate from one screen to another screen inside of a hero widget, and also supply here inside a unique tag which is specific to this widget. So all in all, we have given this image here on the right side the tag image1 on our screen 1. And secondly, you need to go to your second screen, and here we also have an image which is now displayed bigger, and here we also want to wrap it then inside of the hero widget, and also make sure that you supply here the same tag that you have used before on your first screen. So all in all, we have for our widget on our second screen the tag image1, and we also have the same tag on our first screen. So here we also have the image tag 1 for our image on the first screen. And now on our first screen, we also want to include a floating action button at the bottom. And if we click on it, then we want to simply navigate here to our second screen. And with this, if I click on this floating action button, the image is flying from one screen to another screen. Let's also look at a second example where we have a list view and we do then the hero animation from our list view to a second screen. So let's get started within our first screen by creating a list of items that are later displayed inside of our list view. So each item has a title and also this URL image. And this is then basically here displayed. So we have one item, we have here an image and the title. And of course, next to the single item, we also create then here all the other items that are displayed in our list view. And therefore I also have created here this item model class with the URL image and the title. And finally, we want to display then each of our items here in our UI. And therefore we simply go here to our build method, and here inside we create then a list view. And inside the list view, we want to display then each of our items. So here over this item builder, we get then each single item that we want to create right now. So in my case, I display then here first of all the text. And on the front, we also want to display then the image, and the image we can then access over this URL image. And with this, we have here a simple list view with all of our items, which are always created inside of this item builder. And now we want to do the same thing as before. We want to animate our image. Therefore, we wrap it inside of a hero widget, and we also supply a tag. And this time we take as a tag then simply an object. So we take our item, which is basically building here one specific item. And secondly, we also want to navigate then to our new screen if we click on this item. Therefore, I create here this gesture detector. And if we click on our item, then we want to navigate here to the new screen. So here I create then the second screen. And we also put here then the item inside on which we have clicked. And finally, we want to create our second screen. Therefore, we create here the second screen, and inside of the second screen, we also get then here this item on which we have clicked. And now on our second screen, we want to display then the image on which we have clicked before. And therefore, we can access here simply from our item the image on which we have clicked. So here inside the build image method, we get then first of all the URL from the item on which we have clicked. And secondly, we go then to our build image method, and here around we also wrap then the hero widget. And like before, you also need to supply then the same tag that you also have supplied on the first screen. So we have simply put here the item itself inside. And with this, I can click here on this image and our widget flies then to our second screen, and we have here always this cool hero animation. On iOS, it is also working with the flying animation if we click also on this back button. However, if you navigate here through the swiping back, then we have not this hero animation. If you want to have the hero animation also on swiping back on iOS, therefore you set here this transition on user gestures flag to true. And this is what you need to do then for both of your hero widgets. Also go to your second screen and also set here this flag to true. And with this, if I navigate here by swiping back, then you also see that we have here this hero animation between our screen. And by the way, if you want to get here the whole source code of this application, then you can get it with the first link in the description. And with the second link, you can get access to my Flutter courses, where I teach you how you can become a better and more efficient developer. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.